Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Sandra. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my 5 favorite iPad accessories that I love and use daily as a digital artist. I've chosen all of these because they either make my workflow more productive, add quality to my work, or make my art process more comfortable in some way. I'll link all of the products from this video in the description box below, so let's get into it. I'll start off by sharing that I use a 12.9-inch iPad Pro and the 2nd generation Apple Pencil, so I work anywhere from a few hours to the entire day drawing on my iPad. And over time, this has put a lot of strain on my neck and on my wrist and hand. So I found some accessories that have really worked to help with some of those issues. First, I want to share about the KABCON tablet stand on Amazon. I've been using this stand for over 2 years and it has immensely improved my ability to work for long hours on my iPad. This iPad stand has alleviated a ton of neck strain and back pain because it's lifted my iPad to a comfortable level where I can sit at a 90-degree angle and rest my elbow on the table as I draw. You can adjust the angle and the height of the stand. It's a little tough to adjust, but I think that's a positive thing because it won't easily slip out of the height that you need even if you're pressing down to draw. This iPad stand can hold smaller iPads such as the 9.7-inch up to the 12.9-inch Pro and can also accommodate other kinds of tablets. It's made of a really sturdy alloy steel with rubber grip attachments on the holder and on the bottom of the stand so that it won't slip on smooth surfaces. It's also fairly light and compact. You can fold it up and take it with you when you travel. Next, I want to share about the Moco case for iPad Pro, and this brand carries cases for a bunch of different iPad sizes. I've actually used their case on my old iPad, and so when I got my new iPad last year, I went and searched for another one from this brand. I got it in the rose gold color. The outer shell is a flexible rubber-like material and the cover is a PU leather. It's super soft and the inside that touches the iPad screen is a really soft, kind of fake suede feeling texture. The cool thing about this case is that it comes with a pencil holder, which I find super helpful for traveling or if I need to take my iPad anywhere else around the house. I can just pop it in and know it's safe in its little holder. And when you want to charge your Apple Pencil, you can just attach your pencil to the bottom and it'll still magnetically attach. The cover will automatically put your screen to sleep when you close it or turn your screen back on when you open it, and you can also fold up the cover and use that as a stand as well. The next thing I want to talk about is my screen protector. This is called the PAPERFEEL screen protector. There are more expensive brands that do the same thing, and this one is about 1/3 of the cost. It's a matte, no glare screen protector, and the thing I like about this is that when you are drawing on your iPad, either directly on the glass or with a glossy protector, there is a lot of slip and it can feel like you don't have a good grip on your pencil tip, which can make the drawing process feel unnatural, and I also found the quality of my line just didn't come out right. So I went searching and ended up trying out some PAPERFEEL protectors, and what it does is adds a really light texture to the screen protector, which gives your screen more grip, and when you draw, you can definitely tell the difference, and does feel a little bit more like using regular paper. Some complaints I've heard and have experienced a little bit to be true is that because of the extra texture of these protectors, it might wear down your Apple Pencil tips faster, but I find that this is really a manageable issue. It doesn't wear my tips down too fast, and I think the experience of the protector is worth having to change my pencil tip a little bit more often. Also, because this screen protector is matte, there is a slight film cast on it, which means that the image is not going to show up as true in color compared to without a screen protector, but I don't find that this makes a difference in my workflow. The next product I want to share is the NIMBLE grip and the NIMBLE sleeve from Upper. I don't know if you've had this issue like I do, but after drawing for a few hours on my iPad, I'll start getting a strain in my wrist and the muscle between my pointer finger and my thumb, and I find that it's because I'm focusing so much and gripping really hard on my Apple Pencil as I draw. I've looked into some remedies for it and found that a lot of artists recommend either using a pencil grip, such as the NIMBLE grip, or using something to thicken or wrap around the Apple Pencil to alleviate some of that pressure. And I really love this pencil grip from this brand. The NIMBLE grip is beautifully designed, it's easy to put onto the Apple Pencil, it has a nice silicone coating that doesn't attract dirt or dust and is easy to clean. It has so many colors, and you might be able to tell by now I love pink, and they have options for everyone's favorite color. Besides being a cute accessory, it's also ergonomic, which to me is the most important part. I find that it is also really comfortable to use and hold, and has helped me not to have to grip so hard on my Apple Pencil as I'm drawing. And so I'm always really happy to try out any products that are going to increase my productivity while protecting my hands from pain. The NIMBLE sleeve is also a really fun option, and to me more for an aesthetic appeal, but there are a few other attributes to this silicone sleeve that just might be the perfect fit for some people. This is also a silicone product, so it's super sleek and nice feeling, but definitely more comfortable than the plain, slippery Apple Pencil feel. It comes in a ton of colors as well, and because it's silicone, it's going to remain really easy to clean. This sleeve has perfect coverage of your Apple Pencil and has that protective silicone, so if you're someone who drops your pencil quite a bit like me, you'll have that added protection from dings and scratches. It also has these faceted divots and sides so that your Apple Pencil won't just roll off the table, it'll hold in place easier. A bonus to the sleeve is that you can charge your Apple Pencil on your iPad without removing it. However, you would have to remove the NIMBLE grip before charging. So for me, I'm a big fan of both of these Apple Pencil accessories. Another product I want to share that goes hand in hand with the grip and sleeve I just talked about is this NIMBLE pencil stand from Upper. And this is one of my favorite accessories that I never knew I needed. It comes in 4 colors, and of course I chose pink so that everything on my desk is matching. It's made with silicone and a lightly weighted aluminum, so it's a really smooth texture and it's not going to just topple over easily. There's some density to it. I find that this is so helpful to me as an artist who often has tons of random supplies and books and things on my desk. I'll often just plop my Apple Pencil down and not know where it is. But this stand allows me to set it in and know exactly where it's at, and I can use the grip or sleeve cover and it fits perfectly. Another fun thing about this NIMBLE stand is that you can place the tip directly in to hold the pencil vertically, or you can place your Apple Pencil horizontally. There is a little dip so it will sit horizontally without rolling off of the stand. Also, this pencil stand can be used with both first and second generation Apple Pencils. And it's pretty small, so if you want to travel with this stand, I think it'd be pretty easy to take with you. And those are my favorite 5 iPad accessories that I use daily. All links will be in the description box below. Let me know what your favorite iPad accessories are and if you've tried any of these. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.